But Bubba's so close.
Stay calm, Lana.
Like he's probably like in the
You can
next
do
room.
this. This looks like some kind of lockpick. Oh, thank God.
What? I don't know.
There's gotta be something I can use around here. Oh, a shortcut?
It's a pretty scary world out here, guys. I feel like Sissy's gonna wake up Grandpa. Alright, shit, I'm coming.
You can do this.
Oh my god, I survived for 1 minute.
Think. Lana, it's me, Connie.
Oh. Agent, we're right here. We're, I know, the woman.
Good.
Whatever it is. Yeah. Agent, we're all here, besides Sean. You ready? We're the ones who woke up Grandpa, not Sissy, so fuck you, Sissy. Did Johnny already find you? I mean, I don't want to alarm you or say anything, Sean, but it sounds like you're fucked. Oh, fuck. Fuck you. Not gonna lie, I might be fucked. Johnny's looking for me. I unlocked the door to go into the slaughterhouse, but then Johnny came. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna stab him if he comes over here. Yeah. Bitch.
Get away from me, you monster!
Oh fuck, Bubba's coming. Oh my god.
Oh, sugar. That's it, Anna. Stay hidden.
No, I'm hiding. Oh, Johnny's here.
Time to play.
Fuck, well, Sissy and Johnny are in here looking for me. Alright, I'm going back. Fuck this. So you see you opening the valve gate? Alright, I'm going there. No way that made noise. I was literally crouched. I hear fucking Sissy, bro.
It's too quiet. Something's not right.
Okay. I'm waiting for the valve gate to open. Shit, Johnny's right there. Oh my god, I'm going for it. I'm going for it.
Stay focused.
Oh my god, I escaped.
Stay focused.
I escaped. Sean, thank you. I escaped to the water valve gate. Sean, just make the run for it to the water valve gate. Is it closing? Damn. Oh, he's gonna see you. Yeah, Sean, you're pretty much fucked. Sean, move your camera around so I can see. Thank you. Oh, Sean has Johnny and Bubba on him.
Just
No, no, Bubba's over here. She got shot. You saw that? Come on, Sean, make the run for it. Sean, I unlocked the slaughterhouse for you. Just go through there. Yeah.
Don't worry. I'll find it.
Just run for it. Yeah, yeah. Sean, they're all still on Sean, Adrian. You have time. They're all still on Adrian. Alright, Sean, you're gonna have to hurry. Check the other door. No, I look like the entrance. Just go back. Yeah, yeah, go there. Go to the room. Turn right. Turn your no, 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 no. The room's on. No, 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 no. Keep going. You see it? Yeah. No, he's not. Come on, Sean. Go, 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 go. Come on, Sean O'Day. You don't have much time, Sean O'Day. Sean. OMG, I just see Big Sean. Come on, Sean. You got this. Yeah, Sean. Sean, even if you go out like a man. He's not there, bro. Come on, you got it. Yeah, bro. Even if it's a Bubba, just push him. But like, not today. Yeah, bro, you're fucked. God. Maybe he left the door open. Did he leave the door open?
Gotta get out of here.
Ay, madre de Dios. How far? Oh my god! No, 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 buddy. That's fine. You're good. You're good. I think it's off. The generator. Check if it's green. Check if the light's green. Yeah, here, Sean. You just gotta unlock the gate. Oh no, it's not. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. Oh my god. Adrian, I'm scared. Adrian, I'm scared. I fear for Big Sean. I fear for Big Sean. No. Actually, I don't know. Just make the run for it, bro. Pick him with the chicken. Yeah. No, it was behind you. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. No, no. Yeah. Oh my god. You did it, Sean.
Where's this go?
Watch it just close on him and then it just turns back on. No. You get like pushed back. Where are they? Sean, you did the impossible. Buff Boy Games was the only one that died. They're coming. The more I play, the more I realize I just suck.
Oh god.
Okay. But Bubba's so close to me.
What is this place?
I say that literally every fucking match. Like, I'm just fucking stupid. Okay. Thanks, Sean.
Is this human? Don't even think about it, Anna. Just stay calm.
Bubba, can you keep it down, please?
Crap.
What the fuck? No way.
Quiet.
This is supposed to be a quiet game. So, Bubba, please. I'm trying to hear. Oh my god. Really? Which door? Oh, I see it. I'm right here next to you. Well, guess what, Sean? We didn't ask.
What's that?
I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. Please. Forgive me. Oh. Oh, a ladder door. Bro, Sean, what did you do? Like, why? I know. What?
What is
Keep
this?
still. Bubba's coming. No. So is Bubba. They opened it.
Damn kids.
Yeah, it's the cook. I don't know. I didn't see. You're at the gas station. No.
You can do this.
Who's chasing you?
Think.
Where are you?
Agent, where's the cook? Did someone jump into the well? Oh, hey, Julie. Who's Julie? Oh, not Sean. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, 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 fuck.
Okay, let's see where this goes.
I'm gonna open it. Julie, you can go first. I don't fucking care. You can go up the stairs. Oh. Alright. Once Julie starts getting killed, we run. Fuck it. Bubba, fuck you! Oh, fuck. Ugh. Guys, I gave you the opening. But have you ever stopped to think about his feelings? What? Who's bullying who? I don't know, that's what you said.
This looks like some kind of
Who escaped from the gas station? Did you come down the back? Oh. Agent, you felt like right next to me. I came down the same well. I'm right here. Hey. There's another door right here. There's a tool box set that you can get. And then there's another exit right here, so we can both just go up together when you're ready. Alright. Go, go, go! I'll go up the stairs first. I'll be louder. I'll be the sacrifice. Oh, fucking chicken. Fuck you. Oh shit. Cook's agent. Cook's here. Cook's here. Cook's here. Be careful. No. Yeah, agent, I'm tackling him. Yeah, I'm fighting him. You old man. Yeah. Oh my god. 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 I'm getting chased. Adrian, I see you getting killed. But what the fuck did I do to my camera angle? Bro, what did I do to my camera angle? Do you see it? Fuck, fuck. Oh, yeah, you're right. him, brother? Wait, who died? Oh, Sean died. Oh no, Adrian died. Sean, you're still alive. Alright, come on, Johnny. See if you can find me. He found my footprints. Yeah, he's looking for me. Which exit? What the fuck? I'm fucked. Yeah. Oh. I went back down. Oh. I have to recover. I hear Bubba already. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! His fucking chainsaw ran out of gas. What happened? Which exit? Oh fuck, I'm fucked. Bro, just fucking kill me. Fuck you. Oh. You're such a bitch. I hope you know that, Cook. That's why you're old. Oh fuck! Oh, I died. Oh damn! Damn!
That's what you get. See what you made me go and do?
I died. Oh no, Sean died. And pushing cream.
You will, Julie. Help! Help me!
Gotta keep my eyes peeled. I know they're still
Oh
here.
no, Sean, you're the last victim standing. Just hide there right here, hide right there. Just slam him with the door when he comes. Yeah. You should just went up to him and just like knocked him down.